Eat more food connoisseur. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food that I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, today is a place that I ordered from before. I was so fascinated and astounded by the food the first time. I had to come and try other things on the menu. I just got it delivered to me right now from DoorDash. I ordered a cheeseburger, which is 1.5 pounds, and I ordered something called the bird. So I got the food with me right now. We're about to get involved. So before I get involved with the food, for those who are looking at me don't know who I am, I'm Emore, food connoisseur. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit the notification button so you know what I'm on. And do me a favor and share me out with your friends. You can look me up on YouTube, TikTok, the Gram. So these are the 2 things that came. The total was $27. That includes the delivery fee, what I paid for the food, and the tip. So this is the bird. We're gonna go in for that first. The bird is the chicken sandwich, and it comes with a sauce they call filthy sauce. So I'm thinking there's a little spicy situation gonna happen. So you know I don't do spicy like that, but the sandwich sounds interesting and I want to try it. The bun is a nice bun action. See the size of the sandwich? See it? Check it out. Alright, we're gonna go on for that first bite. Thirst quencher. Alright, before we take a couple more bites, I'm gonna let you know what I'm experiencing. The filthy sauce is definitely not spicy. It has like a tangy little, it's not spicy where you're gonna start sweating and running all around the room trying to grab find a bottle of water. You got like a little kick to it, but you got this sweetness that's coinciding with it. Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will rate that at 8.5. It's very enjoyable, and you wouldn't be disappointed. It's called the bird, and it has 2 pickles on it. It has the filthy sauce on it, and there's a fried kind of chicken sandwich situation there that you got. So it's kind of like I would say their version of that buffalo sandwich that people make sometimes. But like I said, it's not overpowering. It's very enjoyable to chew and eat. And I got some cheese on it also. I'm not really into the pickles, but even the pickles go with it. And it's a nice size. You see the size of this? It's like a Popeye sandwich on crack. It's all jacked up. Great selection on the roll. Very good. All right, we're gonna go in for the burger next. The chicken was seasoned very well. You can tell they spent some love with that chicken. You know, back in their kitchen, seasoning it up, and very delicious. I would find a way to make it a little bit more crunchier than what it was, but other than that, it was a good sandwich. All right, now y'all take a look at this burger here. You see this? All right, this is a half a pound of pure beef. We're gonna go in for that bite. Tasty. Wow. All right. We're gonna talk about this in a good way. Okay, what I got on the burger was American cheese. I got fried onions on it. I got ketchup on it, and I got some mayo on it. All right, all the condiments I got on the sandwich, and the sandwich was salted perfectly. It's not overpowering. It's not lacking any flavor at all. It's not lacking any loving at all. This person that's doing the cooking in wit or without, which is spelled W-H-I-T, without, definitely know what they're doing behind that stove. This sandwich right here is probably one of the best burgers I have had in a very long time. This is what true restaurant food is supposed to taste like, far as burgers. I'm not talking about your fast food chains, McDonald's, Wendy's, all those places. This is an elite burger. Just one of them kind of situations where it's hard to put it down. That's how good it is. All of the ingredients and the condiments that I have on this juicy burger situation right here is like dancing with each other. It's like they doing a waltz on my tongue. The onions are cooked perfectly. They're not hard. They're sauteed onions. They're not, you know, sometimes you get burgers and you bite down into it and it's like you got some ice on top of the burger. It's not that kind of situation. The onions go down well with the burger. Man, you can't find burgers like this everywhere. Man, it's like even after the effect of me washing it down with my water, it's still there dancing on my tongue. This is truly, truly an amazing burger. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 9.5. Just crying out to me, eat more, eat more. I gotta stop though. Man, it's truly impressive. Like I said, I had food from them before, and I did the spelling wrong on the name. But this time I got the correct spelling on the name, and I'm pronouncing it correctly. You know, sometimes I make mistakes. I'm new to this game though. But I'll get past all that eventually. For all of y'all that's taking the time to watch me, I thank you very much. My name is E. Moore, the food connoisseur. And it's always a pleasure coming out on camera, having y'all take time out of your day to check my videos out. I need y'all to subscribe to my channel. Please like me. Share me out with everybody you know, and hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are on. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees outside. It's like summertime in Indian summer. And go out there, tell your loved ones you love them. Just keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. I'll check y'all out on my next review. It's always a pleasure. Tell your loved ones you love them. Eat more, food connoisseur. I'm out.